Wow. What's up, guys? We're at the Ford versus Ferrari event.
You already got your tickets, sir?
Yes, sir.
Past me going around 120s down 6th Avenue. They'll try to follow me. We have to get into our area exit.
Just gonna give you guys a quick walk around before I go in and see the movie. We were supposed to have a lot of new Ford GTs, but yeah. Typical Colorado fashion, it did not happen. So, whatever. We came down in Brad's MR2. Got some R8s. 720S. Dan Speciale.
That's the 720.
That's literally the car I saw in the movie last night.
So yeah, quick walk around. Got a Testarossa right there. Daytona. And then we got a P4 replica. This thing is sick. Man. Yeah, that thing is dope. Rich's Golf 4 GT. Thing is sick. I love this car. This is the one that I rode in on the rally. Got a Super Snake. Another Mustang and Natasha, which is the name of the Corvette. GTR. This GT2 is sick. Yeah, probably. Audis, and then 5 in the tails, 570. And an MR2 with a C43 convertible. Ew. Dude. It's a C43 and a convertible. This looks just like Brad's, but worse.
Supercharged, is it? No.
No, it's not supercharged.
I wish you could see
The
that.
sponsors, Mike Ward Automotive, are Bill Ford, Drive Coffee, Savage Garage, and Shout Motorsports. Our sponsors have automobiles on display here today, so please visit them, talk about those automobiles. They have built a lot of the automobiles that are in the field today and up on the patio. We have the owners and managers of both facilities here for the automotive sales group as well. So thank them, and we're going to have an additional time frame to talk afterwards, 12:30 on after the film together outside. I'm going to introduce Rick with our group and enjoy the film, and also, he will also address some other important items. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Dude.
So those of you guys who know me know that
Weird.
I absolutely hate to speak in front of a bunch of people. And yet I always seem somehow to be the guy holding the dang microphone. So I'm going to keep this extremely short. First off, I just want to say my name is Rick Douglas. For those of you guys who don't know me, I am the executive director for the Warriors Chariot nonprofit. And today is going to be all about really celebrating the drivers, the sponsors, and everybody who makes these types of events that we're doing for these veterans possible. So this today is a showing of gratitude from us to all of you guys. So thank you so much.
Woo!
There's just a couple of things I wanted to cover real fast, just to clarify. Everybody that has a ticket, you all have a $10 food voucher as well. You don't have to use the ticket as a food voucher. All you have to do is place in your order, and they're going to automatically take $10 off of the bill. So whatever it is, if it's under $10, then it's going to be free for you guys. So just use those tickets and order whatever you'd like, food or drink, and expect a $10 discount. Of course. So real fast, I kind of want to give you guys a little bit of background about the Warriors Chariots. Really, we started this thing as a passion project 2 years ago. It was an idea that we had, and literally sitting in a kitchen, that we wanted to show veterans a really good time and some really nice cars. I just so happen to know quite a few very, very gracious supercar owners that brought out their cars. And the very first event that we did, I was only expecting maybe 10 to 15 cars to show. We had almost 20 there. And the veterans had the times of their life. I had a great time. And then it was a huge thanks to one of our board members, Jim Bauer, that allowed us to do a High Plains Raceway tracking event. It was through Jim and his connections that we were able to grow this event to 35 cars at that point. And we had a super successful track day. We had 50 veterans out at that track day. And not only did they get to ride in supercars, but they also got to ride in some vintage cars as well. As you guys see, well, once this slide passes, the reviews that we've gotten from these veterans has been astronomically positive. And it's all thank you to everybody here today and those who are willing to bring out their cars and share them. So thank you guys. The final thing I want to share with you guys is I am very proud to stand up here and tell you that while our chariot, our Warriors Chariot, a nonprofit, is fairly new, I'm very proud to say that just in the 3 events that we have done, we have managed to give over 110 veterans rides in supercars. And out of those 110 veterans, each of those guys got to ride in an average of 6 supercars. So you math geniuses out there can equate that equates to an astonishing 660 rides that we have given in supercars to our nation's heroes. And that's thanks to you guys. So thank you. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up because I'm starting to shake up here. So thank you guys again so much. Thank you, special thank you to our sponsors. None of this would have been possible today without the help of Mike Ward, McLaren, Denver. So thank you guys so much. And of course, thank you to Phil Longford as well, making generous donations and helping us out today. So thank you guys. And that is it for me. Enjoy the movie.
that while I'm filming?
I said no. He goes, you need to go.
Damn, this Audi's clean. Jeez. Oh yeah, that's it, folks. Did you like the movie?
F versus F.
Yep.
A plus.
Ford versus Ferrari. It was a good movie. Yeah, none of the new Ford GT showed up, which
That was a disgrace.
shame on you guys.
That was good though.
But yeah, lineup was pretty good. Wide variety of cars. Movie was good. So yeah, that's it. Bye.